Hi, my name is Zambia Clark. I live in Lakeland, Florida. I'm currently a mom of three boys, ages 13, 11, and 8, and I'm currently 19 weeks pregnant with another baby boy, so I'm full of excitement, even though I was hoping for a girl. And at this time in my life cycle, I have decided to pursue my master's degree in social work because I've always had a passion for helping people, especially the homeless. I am currently a volunteer at my local homeless shelter, where many times I'm told of many different stories where the residents feel like they are not heard, seen, or known by their current social workers, which is totally heartbreaking to myself. Whenever I see someone in need, especially the homeless, I always give physically, emotionally, and spiritually everything that I have to offer. But I feel deeply within myself that this is not enough to lead them to the path of success. I also feel that I would be a great advocate for those without a voice, especially women who are victims of domestic violence, not so much physical, but on the verbal, mental, emotional, and financial side, as this side of domestic violence is often ignored and brushed under the rug as just everyday occurrences, but it really is a problem. I really feel with this degree that it will give me the necessary resources to be able to direct and empower those who are feel like they have no voice or say in what actually happens in their life. I really look forward to completing this journey and being able to be the great help that those in need really need. Hope everyone has a great and successful journey. Thank you. Bye bye.